I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Winter Haven! I'm Kendall, and you're watching BDTV for Friday, December 3rd, 2021. Coming up on today's show, Hanukkah and Advent.
I'm Skylar.
And I'm Bella.
Let's get into the announcements.
Remember, students, there are many volunteer opportunities. Stop by the guidance office and look at all the different opportunities you have.
The Winter Haven Formal for freshmen and sophomores will be Friday, December 10th from 7 to 10 p.m. at the Winter Haven High School cafeteria patio. Tickets will be sold December 6th through the 8th during all lunches, and they're being sold to the first 400 freshmen and sophomores. You cannot attend if you're on the obligation list. No bills larger than $20 will be accepted. Students can be dropped off between Building 35 and 36 in the north parking lot.
Student Council has chosen to sponsor another Rudolph Roundup holiday toy drive for children of all ages to benefit Heartland for Children. New unwrapped toys may be donated and stored in your 5th period classes with the final collection on Friday, December 10th. The class collecting the most toys will earn pizza, and second place will earn pastries to be awarded of the week of January 4 to 7, 2022.
Delaney has more information about Rudolph Roundup.
Student Council is sponsoring a Rudolph Roundup toy drive. This toy drive was created to give incredible holiday memories to kids who have experienced abuse or neglect. Here's how you can participate. New unwrapped toys can be donated and stored in your 5th period class. The final day to donate is December 10th. The class that brings in the most toys will earn pizza, and the second place class will earn pastries after Christmas break. And remember, these toys are for kids of all ages, so you can bring things like dolls, action figures, cars, and many more. Rudolph Roundup is an amazing opportunity to help your community, so bring in toys today.
That is a really great thing to participate in.
Seniors, you are to notify Mrs. Bachman when you receive a scholarship, whether you accept the offer or not. These scholarship opportunities must be reported by each high school as required by the district.
Come support our competitive cheer team at Swap Don't Shop this Sunday, December 5th from 1 to 4 at the Winter Haven High School cafeteria patio. Bring a minimum of 20 items of women's or teenage girls' clothing, shoes, accessories, beauty products, and more. No damaged or stained items. Pay a $10 entry fee. All proceeds benefit the Winter Haven High School Co-ed competition cheer program.
Hang up your items by category and size at 2 p.m. Everyone can select new treasures to take home. Bring friends and have fun swapping.
That is so amazing, just like Avid.
Advent is a nonprofit class that gives the student the emotional, academic, and social support that they need to help better themselves. I'm Kendall with BDTV. Let's go find out more about Advent. How has Advent helped you learn?
I've been in Avid for 3 years, so it's helped me keep my skills and study time on more management.
How has being an Avid the past 4 years benefited you?
Well, I would say it's definitely got me prepared for college and taught me a lot of things that I need to know. So
I would say it definitely challenged me to improve my work ethic and to also take more challenging classes.
It has taught me many different skills and strategies that can help me beyond high school.
Well, when I first started coming here, I was really shy, but it's allowed me to get out of my shell, and it's also helped me build leadership skills.
What exactly is AVID?
AVID is a college and career readiness program, stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. And so this program is to get young students just acclimated to courses of rigor, getting them introduced to honors classes, AP, and some higher level dual enrollment classes just to get them prepared for college and life after high school.
What skills has ADVID taught you?
AVID taught me a lot of skills. we learned time management, organization, and recently we learned how to what and not to say at an interview for jobs.
After being an Advid for 2 years, what is your favorite thing that you've learned that you love about it?
Something that's my favorite is that Coach Ellis always holds me accountable for my studies.
We get to work with the same group of people each year.
The power of Advid has the ability to impact students all throughout campus, whether you're in it or not. Advid is a college readiness class that I think that everyone should be involved in. I'm Kendall with BDTV. Stay informed, Winter Haven.
You have to work hard in the Advid classes, just like in Cambridge. Speaking of Cambridge, the Cambridge literature classes have made masquerade masks for their study of Shakespeare's Much Ado About Nothing. Some of the masks are on display in the library. Come by and see them. Our girls weightlifting is really excited this season and wants you to join in and be a part of what they're doing this year. So help support them by buying one of the many shirts. Ask any girls on the team or Mr. Burnham.
Tonight there is a boys soccer game with JV playing at 6:30 and varsity playing at 8. Make sure to come out and support your Blue Devils on Friday.
Monday night, our boys soccer team won 4-0. Way to go, Blue Devils.
Also, congratulations to the girls weightlifting team for winning their meet on Wednesday.
In collaboration with our guidance department, Student Council has once again decided to sponsor the holiday dress days for the week of December 13th to the 17th. Holiday kickoff is Monday, December 13th. Wear red and green, merry and bright Tuesday, December 14th. Wear lights and tinsel. Rocking around the tree Wednesday is December 15th. Wear holiday socks. And Mad About Plaid is Thursday, December 16th. Wear flannel. Ugly Sweater Friday is December 17th. And while the dress code still applies, holiday-themed school-appropriate outfits, including hats, pajama pants, or onesies, will be permitted.
Did you know we are in the middle of Hanukkah?
There are so many amazing holidays this time of year. One holiday that is celebrated around the world is Hanukkah. I'm Skylar with BDTV. Let's go learn 5 fun facts about Hanukkah. This year, Hanukkah began on November 28th and ends on December 6th. Hanukkah is celebrated by Jewish people around the world. Hanukkah lasts for 8 nights to celebrate the burning of a candle in a temple that lasted for 8 days when they only had enough oil for 1 day. For every night of Hanukkah, a candle is lit on the menorah. The menorah has 9 candles, with a central candle being higher than the rest. Another fun fact about Hanukkah is that President Harry Truman was the first president to celebrate Hanukkah in the White House, with a menorah given to him by the Prime Minister of Israel. Fried foods are very traditional for Hanukkah, and one of these foods is jelly donuts. Over 17.5 million jelly donuts are consumed in Israel over Hanukkah. The toy dreidels that are given to children on Hanukkah were first invented as a fun way for the children to learn their Hebrew while playing with a spinning top. Hanukkah, or the Festival of Lights, celebrates the triumph of a small Jewish army over another large army. I'm Skylar with BDTV. No matter what you celebrate, have a happy holiday.
Thanks, Skylar, for that fun information. FBLA and DECA are selling shirts. They're for sale for only $10 in Miss McCullough's room, 35209. Support your Blue Devils by wearing one of these sharp-looking t-shirts. Make sure to get yours today, before or after school only. This year, our music department will present Winter Festival featuring Blue Devil piano guitar, Winter Haven High School Orchestra, band, chorus, and Blue Devil drama. This event will be held from 2 to 8 p.m. on Saturday, December 11th. Each group will perform at a specific time. Tickets can be purchased on Winter Haven High School website or with this QR code, and may be purchased for a single concert for $5, or guests may purchase an all-day event ticket for $15. This enables them to attend all concerts that day. Visual Arts will be setting up displays in the lobby of the auditorium as well. That sounds amazing, and what a great way to get into the holiday spirit. Decorating is another way to get into the holiday spirit. Student Council is sponsoring a holiday door decorating contest. If your 5th period class chooses to participate, please send a photo to Shelly Archambault at polk-florida.net before December 10th to be included in the ballot. The first place class will earn pasta, and second place will earn popcorn to be awarded the week of January 4th to 7th, 2022. There is a new scholarship bulletin with scholarships for all grade levels, so make sure you check it out. That's all we have for you today, Winter Haven. I'm Tor with BDTV. Have a great day. Stay tuned for a commercial.
start of the climb, faced with an army of vipers and lions. I had to keep on reaching up, cause it was my time to tear down the kingdom, call out the liars.